So welcome back to our Perlite piece oven build. As you can see, we've got our chicken wire that is set in almost all the way, except we need to do our final coat. So we've mixed up the Perlite concrete, our percrete if you like. We've mixed it up to the same ratios, 5 parts perlite, 2 parts cement and 2 parts water. And that's given us a nice mixture that's going to set up on our oven. So all we're going to do is probably go over, I don't know, maybe almost 10 mil more, and make sure that not 10 mil, 100 mil, probably about this much, all the way over until everything's covered, and we'll probably start finishing off the chimney form. And there we have it. So I did the finishing just with my hand and then just finished with the board. And what we'll do is when it's dry, we'll give it a final sand and just get it really, really smooth. So we're going to leave this oven now for probably 6 weeks to maybe 2 months for it to properly dry out. We've already removed the ball from the bottom so it can dry from the inside and the outside. And then it will get installed into the client's house. So thanks for watching, and as always, if you're a new viewer, click that subscribe button and help our channel out. If you have any questions, just chuck them in the comment section below. Always happy to hear your feedback and your comments. Keep it positive.